Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Obnimi TikTok trend, which is a trend I really like and is also very popular. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go. So at the beginning, we're going to have about 5 seconds where we can do whatever we want. You can jump, you can just stay still, you can do whatever you want. So this dance is actually pretty easy and it's not that long because at the beginning you have a lot of time to do whatever you want. So now we're going to go with the actual dance. So we're going to wait about 5 seconds and then 1, 2. So it's like as if you were shouting, right? Shout, shout. And then you're gonna go, whoa, and then cross, like that. So, from the beginning, shout, shout, whoa, cross. Okay, so after this we're gonna go 1, 2. So, it doesn't matter which hand is on top of which, you just have to end up doing this. So, hand, and then we're gonna go right, front, and then we're gonna do like a small circle. It has to be fast, so it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so once again, hand, right, front, circle. Okay, so let's do it from the very beginning and then we will move on. So, shout, whoa, cross, hand, right, front, circle. Okay, so after the circle, maybe we have to wait half a second, and then after that we're gonna go. We're gonna do as if we were searching for something. And then we're going to show number 2. We can do it with one hand or both hands. And then we're going to pretend we have a glass here and we're, I don't know, like pouring something, water. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So we're going to pop our shoulders. So let's do it from the very beginning slow so that we remember everything and then we'll move on. Let's go. Shout, shout, whoa, cross, hand, right, front, circle. Search, to, pour, pop, pop, pop. Okay, so after this we only have 2 moves left. So with this you can see how easy this dance is actually to learn. So let's go. So after this we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna go front, left, cross, front, right, cross. That's it, that's the whole dance. So now we're gonna do it twice. Once slow so that we remember every move, and then once faster. So let's go. Shout, shout, whoa, cross, hand, right, front, circle, search, to, pour, pop, 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 front, left, cross, front, right, cross. And then we're gonna do the same thing but faster. Let's go. Shout, shout, whoa, cross, hand, right, front, circle, search, to, pour, pop, 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 front, left, cross, front, right, cross. That's it, that's the whole dance. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a